Hi, Mike Monteforti here, and I am directing this video to my personal injury attorney friends. We have been looking into how to help personal injury attorneys by offering estate planning to their clients. And in doing my research, I actually found out that there have been cases where a personal injury attorney has handed over either a settlement check or a check from a verdict to a client, and that client goes home, blows all the money, and is actually turned around and filed suit against their personal injury attorney because the personal injury attorney did not give them any direction with regard to the money. They didn't give them any information about how to protect it or how the financial windfall might affect government benefits that they're receiving, such as disability. I looked to see if there was a way that we could prevent that. And what I did was I wrote a report specific to individuals that are receiving money from a personal injury case. It explains the top mistakes that people make when they receive a financial windfall and tells them how to avoid those mistakes. And while that's good for the client, how does that benefit you? Well, it's simple. You make the report part of your process when you're handing over the check to the client. So you hand them over the check in one hand and this report in the other hand. By doing so, you have protected yourself from liability because the client can't turn around and come back and say that you didn't advise them on how to handle the money. Instead, you gave them a report that explains what they should and should not do with regard to their funds, and at that point, it's up to them. The smart ones will reach out to us for their estate planning. The ones that don't, even if they turn around and blow their money and try to blame you, you can simply say that it is part of our normal process. Every client gets their check and this report at the same time. If they chose to ignore it, then they did so at their own detriment. To get a copy of the report, we're providing it for free. We'll give you as many copies as you want. You can make this part of your normal process when you're giving funds to the client and you're protecting yourself at the same time.